Next, we shall learn about contactors. Contactors are relays that switch high current loads. A contactor is a control device that uses a small control current to energize or de-energize the load connected to it. It is a large relay usually used to switch current to an electric motor or other high power load. Large electric motors can be protected from overcurrent damage through the use of overload heaters and overload contacts. Like a relay, a contactor also consists of a contact, spring, and electromagnet. The contact part of the contactor includes the power contacts as well as the auxiliary contacts. The power contacts gain the power for the contactor, and the auxiliary contacts are used to bring a loop with the rest of the devices it is attached to. These contacts are connected to the contact springs. The contacts are controlled by the electromagnet. These electromagnets gives the initial force to the contacts and make them closed. Both these contacts and electromagnets are enclosed in a frame which is usually made of insulating materials. The figure of a contactor is shown here. Contactors typically have multiple contacts, and those contacts are usually normally open so that power to the load is shut off when the coil is de-energized. This figure shows an electric circuit connecting three-phase AC power to a motor using a contactor and overload heaters. The top three contacts switch the respective phases of the incoming three-phase AC power, typically 410 volts, that is 410 volts, for motors of 1 horsepower or greater. The lowest contact is an auxiliary contact, which has a current rating much lower than that of the large motor power contacts that is actuated by the same armature as the power contacts. The auxiliary contact is often used in a relay logic circuit or for some part of the motor control scheme, typically switching 120 volt AC power instead of the motor voltage. One contactor may have several auxiliary contacts, either normally open or normally closed if required. Overload heater is a low resistance strip of metal intended to heat up as the motor draws current. If the temperature of any of these heater elements reaches a critical point, a normally closed switch contact will get opened. This normally closed contact is usually connected in series with the relay coil so that when it opens, the relay will automatically de-energize, thereby shutting off power to the motor. Thank you.